Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about operamini shake and win. Is it a scam or is it not? Okay guys, my thought is this thing is not a scam, it's legit. But I can tell you operamini has made sure that it's very difficult to win. Okay, let's dive on it. What to do to get involved. First, you have to install your application operamini. You can find it on the Play Store or just follow the link on the description. It will take you to where you can get operamini. And then when you open it, you see the shake logo. Click on shake logo and then it will take you to the next page. The next page, it will be like this: enter, and then it won't be like this exactly, but you will need to press enter, register your number and enter your details, and then it will bring you to this page where you will press enter again. And when you press enter, it will take you to where to say you have a one shake, because me, I have used my shake. And then after that one shake, you have to wait for another 4 hours. So through my calculations, these are the all prices. Through my calculations, they are all 12 prizes, and one prize, you need to have 6 spins, which means in a day you get 6 spins. So in order for you to shake everything from prize 1 to prize 12, you need 12 days, because every hour you'll be spinning, and that's 6 spins in 24 hours. So in every prize you have 6 boxes to unlock in a puzzle prize. So it means you need 6 spins per day, which we get 6 spins in 24 hours. And so that make it one prize per day that is fully open. But just because they don't open following, they just open them randomly. So you may take 12 days to open everything, but that doesn't make you win the prize even after opening everything. Because look here, some they are saying times 1, some they are saying times 2, some they are saying times 3, some they go even up to times 4. That's where Opera tricked everyone there, because now this thing, if it goes like 12 days times 4, which is 48 days. And then this event, I think it was started on the 17th. I'll do my calculations and write there when it was started, but I think it needs more than 48 days to open everything. So you see, the chances of you catching this thing, they are very small, guys. They are very small. But don't give up though. Keep on trying. You may get lucky. Thank you.